Right over here, so guys, you have some fishing boat. The wind is a bit strong at the moment, and there's a big seabird over there, guys. These are the ones with the really long beaks. And for sure he's gonna fly away because I'm getting very close to him. So you guys are gonna get to see him fly off the boat. Here's Ariel. They are very wild. They don't give you a chance to even, not even a meter you'll get. If you get a meter, you'll be lucky. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. It's a very beautiful beach here in Jamaica. Here in St. Thomas in Maran Bay. This is the 4K beach tour, guys. Please relax back and enjoy the video. Yes, good afternoon. Yes, hello. You know, you four of you look so beautiful flying together. Oh, and there's another one. Oh, so sweet. So sweet. Very little cute seabird. So sweet. So sweet. There's some more fishing boat here, guys. Yeah, more fishing boats again. So the fishermen them go out in the sea over there to do the fishing. And this is all the fishing boat we got here. Wait, who's this guy? There's somebody here, guys. Yeah, looks like a content creator. Some more birds here, guys, but they are ready to fly. Yes, wings are up and ready to fly. Yes, wings are up and ready to fly. Yes, yes. And look at them, they're drifting away, drifting away, drifting away, drifting away. Watching the distance, they're keeping the distance. Hello? Good afternoon. Yes, they drift and then they fly. There we go. Beautiful bird. Beautiful bird in the deep ocean. Yeah. over this side, guys, is where the river that comes to the sea when we have heavy rain. So this is the part of the river where we got the heavy water come through. Most of the water and everything come through. There's it. Yes, all right. That's over this side. Oh, let's go, let's go. This is one of the fisherman boat, guys. So this is what the boat look like in Jamaica. They have completely different design from Philippines, like when I was in the Philippines before. This is one of the fisherman boat. Thank you so much. This is where I'm going to be wrapping up the tour for today. Sorry it's a bit windy here, guys, so I'm talking very loud for you guys. And yes, don't forget anyway, guys, to go and check out DMAC 4K World Tour. Don't forget to also check out Wayne Mighty 4K Exploring. Also, don't forget to check out Miss Chin Adventure. Also, don't forget as well Mush Roses Lifestyle. All the channels, them guys. I'm going to put all the link down in the description. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss a video. You'll be the first to be notified when I put a video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to also have me on Instagram, which is Bosskurt4K Travel, the same name as my YouTube channel. All this link is all down in the description. That will forward you over to all the channels, including my Instagram. Thank you so much, guys. I'm signing out from Jamaica, here in St. Thomas in Morant Bay. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys, in Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in it. Look at that. Oh, I think he must have discover in the Philippines. This is foreign America, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.